What's up, guys, and welcome back to our Midcoast Family Services summer camp titled Beat the Heat. Now, if you were with us the other 2 days, we've given you 2 ways that you can keep yourself out of trouble. But remember, there's 5 of them. We call them the 5 Bs. We've had beware, bad idea, and today we're talking about better one, and that's the hand signal to help you remember a little bit better. Now, better one is my favorite because it doesn't mean that you have to be alone or be bored or go along with whatever is being suggested that's a bad idea, but you can come up with a better idea that will probably be more fun and definitely keep you out of trouble. For example, a couple of things you could suggest if someone asks you to do something like smoking cigarettes. You could say, let's go swimming, surfing, let's play on a playground, run through the sprinklers, whatever it is that you do for fun that can keep you out of trouble. All right, guys, there's 5 of these 5 Bs. This was number 3. We'll see y'all next time.
Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a sea aquarium in a bottle. First, you'll need a bottle, some sea creatures, aquarium gravel rocks, Elmer's glitter glue, and warm or hot water. So the first thing you'll do is put the Elmer's glitter glue into your bottle. You'll just go ahead and squeeze the bottle and coat the bottom of the bottle. Now, some of y'all may not have to do this step because some of the bottles may be pre-coated with the glitter glue. So after you go ahead and coat the bottle, just a little bit, then you can now add your sea creatures. Now, after adding your sea creatures, you can go ahead and start adding your gravel rocks. After you have all your gravel rocks in, you can go ahead and get the warm or hot water. So about that much space needs to stay empty. So you only pour the water to fill up the bottle a little more than half. So go ahead and pour in the water. Leave a good amount of space empty. Then go ahead and screw on the top. Make sure it's screwed on good. After the top's secured on tight enough, then go ahead and shake the bottle. So after the bottle is good and shaken, you can start to see your items float around in the bottle. But if you're getting the supplies yourself, here's some fun things you can add. Funfetti, or if you're like me and love glitter, you can add some extra glitter in. And you would just squeeze those into the bottle. Or maybe even some seaweed. But here is your aquarium in a bottle.